Hello dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can easily turn off likes notification on your Instagram app on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to your Instagram, just tap here on your account, just go here, tap here and choose settings, and in the settings you need to find your notifications, and in the notifications you need to go to post stories and comments, and now just wait until it will load. And now just tap here near likes, turn it off, and here likes and comments on photos you tagged in. So now just tap on off and you will successfully turn off notifications from likes. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.